This week, you're going to take your proctored exam. I have told you several weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago, as soon as the class started, to register for your exam. If you have not already done so, register now. You just go over here to Smarter Proctoring, click on that, go through it, ask you several questions. You can choose your location and go ahead and register for that test so that you can get a site that you, a site and a time that is fitting for your schedule. Also, you may use Be Virtual in order to take your test. And that will cost approximately $25, I believe, to take the test, and you can take it at home. You will need to have a camera, and someone will watch you as you take your test. So, your proctored exam. Now, you may be saying, what on earth do I need to study for that? Now, as you see, each week I have told you to print the notes, complete the notes, listen to the web conference, play the Jeopardy game, and take the quiz. So you just have 3 chapters. Hopefully you've already done all this extensively, and then you need to go back and do this again, and you will be ready for the test. The Jeopardy games definitely have example questions, and the quiz questions are also example questions. But do not be lulled into a false sense of security. You're going to have many, many, many questions, and you only have a sampling of questions on your Jeopardy game and your quizzes. So again, you should be studying about 15 hours each week in the course. You're not just in here to memorize basic information and regurgitate it. You are here to learn the material, to be able to pass TEAS test or other tests for the entry into the program of your choice, to pass the program, and then to pass tests like the NCLEX, as well as to incorporate this information into your daily job, your daily career in your future. Okay, so take the test, study hard beforehand, and go ahead and get registered. Don't tell me at the last minute there are no spots, because you've been told since day one to register. And I see those of you who have not registered for the test. And thank you so much, those of you who immediately registered when I asked you to. The next thing that you are to do this week is your pathogen concept map. You will see when I click on modules over here, when you go to modules, you will see after you take the test that your concept map is indeed due on Sunday. So your deadline to take the exam is the 8th, and then your pathogen concept map is due on Sunday the 10th. So when you click on that, I have here, you click on this link, and it gives you a template that you can use. And also, it tells you exactly what you need to do. All you do is take my template and then fill in your information. Now, if you have a Mac and you can't actually fill that in, I have it in a PDF form here if you don't have Windows for Mac. You may use any type of Prezi or SmartArt, anything that you would like to do. I'm going to show you one example here, and this is a wonderful concept map on herpes. So you put the title here, you have your headings: introduction, causes, symptoms, treatments, or cures. Under introductions, you simply say who gets the disease, where is it found, any basic information about it, and then try to find the number of people either in the United States or throughout the world that have this condition each year. The causes, you tell, is it a virus, is it bacteria, parasite, etc. You tell basic information about that. You give the symptoms here, and then treatments, cures, or preventions. There may be some home remedies. Give the name of specific antivirals that can be used. So if it is an antiviral, please give specific names. If it's antibacterial, antifungal, I want some specific names of treatments here. Okay? All right, so that's about it for the week. Again, make sure you study hard. Have a great week. Bye-bye.